Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code of in-cut Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
SEP will understand error code 12 content error code 12 in Call of Duty Warzone typically indicates a network or connectivity issue rather than a problem with the game files themselves. This error often arises when your game client struggles to maintain a stable connection with the Warzone servers, which can be caused by various factors including an unstable internet connection, firewall restrictions, and unfavorable net type or router modem glitches. It signifies that your device is unable to properly communicate with the game's online services, preventing you from joining matches or accessing online features. Step basic network reset and device restart. Content begin by performing a fundamental network reset and restarting your gaming device completely. Power down your internet router and modem, wait for at least 30 seconds, then power them back on and allow them to fully reconnect to the internet indicated by stable lights. Simultaneously restart your core console. This process clears temporary network cache size, a fresh IP address, and resolves minor software conflicts that might be interfering with your connection to Warzone servers. Step verify and optimize your NAT type content. Your network address translation NAT type significantly impacts your ability to connect with other players and game servers. An open NAT type is ideal, while moderate or strict can cause connectivity issues, including error. Check your NAT type through your console's network settings or network utility. If it's not open, consider enabling a universal plug-and-play on your router or manually forwarding the necessary ports for Warzone to your device's IP address.
SEP temporarily disable firewalls and antivirus software content firewall programs, including Windows Defender or third-party antivirus, so it can sometimes mistakenly identify Warzone's network traffic as a threat and block its connection to the servers, leading to error. Though temporarily disable any active firewalls or antivirus software on your to test if they are the root cause. If the game connects successfully after disabling them, ensure you create an exception or allow the Call of Duty Warzone application and Battle.net launcher through your firewall settings before enabling your security software.
Step to update network drivers and verify game files. Content for players. Outdated or corrupted network adapter drivers can lead to inconsistent connections. Ensure your wired Ethernet or wireless Wi-Fi network drivers are up to date by visiting your motherboard or network card manufacturer's website. For all platforms, verify the integrity of Warzone's game files through the Battle.net launcher's scan and repair option or your console's game management settings. This checks for any corrupted game files that, while less common for error, could potentially contribute to connection issues.